Hey guys, back with a video. Today we got a very special unboxing. I finally got myself the Hoover convertible from Kyle Crickbaum. What was it called? I already opened it. I used a screwdriver to just scrape it. I have taken a peek, but his eBay is everything vacuums. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, we got our handle bolts and whatnot. So yeah, we got those to put it together, and he gave me some bags and a belt, which is very nice. He said, "Dear Sam, enjoy your Hoover convertible from the mid-'80s. It should function well for you. I've enclosed a package of bags and belts and a belt just in case. Have a great rest of your summer, Kyle." There we go. I got bags. And I don't know why he added this. He didn't tell me. But Eureka Rally. So there's a Eureka Rally from 1988 on there. That's pretty cool. Eureka ESP, the Boss. This sometime in the 80s. Oh. And the back of it. Is any date maybe? No, but there's the back of it. And then we got Eureka the Boss again, the newer version. And yeah, those are pretty cool. I'll definitely be telling him thank you for that. I do want a Eureka ESP, but I haven't been able to find it. Okay, so here we got the bag. I already knew about the problem that it has. But it looks fine from the front, but then the back is like that. It had ripped, but he sewed it back together. This is a nice, thick vinyl material. You know, the bag spring and that. It has a new bag in it, you can already tell. So there's some there. And it says Hoover convertible on the top. So yeah, that's pretty cool. This one is, I'm giving you another hint. This one is, there's the backing. This one is from 1982. I believe it's very, very rare because I've only ever seen one video of it on YouTube, but it didn't have the original bag. I've heard this thing is very nice to use. There's the handle. This is a deluxe model. I will go ahead and tell you that. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'll scoot over here and I'll just kind of open it up, and then I'll show you once it's fully open. Oh, that looks great. It is fully refurbished, he said, and I believe him because this is what it looks like. Ah, yes. Gotta love it. Nice Hoover roundel here. Headlight hood is, or headlight cap is not all yellowed and anything. There's the bottom. Replace brush roll. The only thing is, the belt is still on it. Wish he took that off. Yeah. Let me bring you in for a closer look. And we can put it together. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Very beautiful. Just go ahead and show you. It is a Hoover model U4315. Those not brushes. These rollers look like they haven't been used very much. I think he found this in the trash. But yeah, that's a new brush roll. Doesn't have the beater bars, which is kind of sad. But he left the belt on there. It's really tight. I think it's new. 11 blade metal fan. and this is metal too. This is a plastic base, but the brush roll plate is metal. So yeah, this is metal, this is plastic. Sounds basically the same. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll start putting it together, make sure we put it together correctly. That's a big old scrape back there, but that's okay. Like I said, this is a deluxe model with all the bells and whistles. It has shag, high, normal, and low. And it has the handle release where it tilts back that far, and then if you press it again, it goes flat, or mostly flat. Your bag hook spring. I bet you this thing will do okay. I'll put it in shag and we'll adjust it as needed. I think high is good for this carpet because it's a pretty thick piled carpet. Yeah, high will be fine. So, there we go. Kind of adjust that a little bit. It has the switch at the top. I'll show you in a minute. But down here we have, this goes in the front. And this goes in the back. And now you screw it in. This is definitely smaller than I thought it would be in real life. I know a lot about Hoover convertibles, but I've never owned one until now. So it's kind of weird, me knowing how much I do know about these things and not even owning one. But now that I own one, I might be getting more in the future, possibly older or newer, you never know. I might start selling them, and I might start refurbishing them or servicing them for people. Yeah. So this thing is in immaculate condition. As you can see, has switch, up is off, down is on. Has cord strain relief, hook for the bag up there, and yeah. So let's go ahead and put this bag on there. What you do is you pull this to the side, and this just kind of hooks on there. I mean, it's really simple and easy. Well, we can take a little look-see under the hood. I think these, I don't know if these take SBC bulbs. We're about to see. Yeah, the paint on this thing is wonderful. I have a bit of Pledge right next to me, so I'll definitely be throwing some of that on the hood to make it a little shinier. It's shiny, and it's clean. Hopefully. Let's see. Oh, wow, that is very clean. It's just vast in all its glory. It takes those other kind of style light bulbs. I'll put a LED one in it so it doesn't yellow the headlight cap. Looks like he took out the suppressor. I don't know if these 80s models did have suppressors, but this one does not have one in it. So, yeah. Looks great. So now, we'll put this cap back on. it says Hoover convertible on there. That's pretty cool. Like I said, I want to keep this white. This is a very yellow, but it's okay. I kind of like it because it shows it's lived. Like I said, this is the deluxe version, so it has the complete wraparound bumper guard, and it has 4 settings and handle release, 4 heights, handle release, handle grip, and switch at the handle. It doesn't have the Type A bags because this is early 80s. This is from 1982. I believe this was a Target exclusive from my research. The top cord hook does not spin on this one though. I've heard of these breaking before, but these look okay. Well, I guess I should leave that down. Okay, so what we'll do. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to get this thing to low, normal, and high. We'll try it on high, and I'll put it on normal if it's too high. So yeah. And I have some dirt to throw down if it works good. Hopefully it works good as it looks. This thing is very light for how like sort of big it is. It's smaller than I thought again. Alright, so we'll plug it in. It's not turned on. Okay. And let's go. Oh, that works great. Rims the carpet very well with that new brush roll in it. Headlight works and sounds quiet. It might be a little too high though, so let's see. Normal seems to do better. So much suction it lifts up the carpet. So I have a bag of filth, and I'll throw some down to vacuum up. It fluffed up the carpet very well. Got some real dirt in here somewhere, but this is just some paper shavings and whatnot. Alright, so let's give her a go. Very happy, and I only paid $25 for it. He gave it to me for free. I just had to pay the shipping. I missed a piece. But, yeah. Hope you guys... Oh, well, not yet. I'm going to give her a bit of a polish. I know most of you don't care. But, if you want to leave, you can. Because it'll be this, and then that's the end of the video. So if you want to leave, you can. But I'm going to give it a bit of a go. Yeah, I know this isn't real polish, but I have some at home. I'm at my grandma's right now. So I don't have everything I normally do. But this will get it looking good. Looking a little bit better than it already does. It looks great. It's just won't hurt. The bag and the handle are brown, and this right here is brown, but this is more of a maroon red. It has a couple deep scratches, which isn't the best, but it's okay. But yeah, hope you guys like and subscribe and enjoy this video. And yeah, there it is. Nice and shiny. Alrighty. Well, hope you guys like and subscribe and enjoy this video, and bye.